Hi guys, welcome to the amazing series. In this series, I'll be going through the wildlife of a specific region and showing its uniqueness. In this video, we'll be looking at my country, India. Well, there are so many things. Let me start with big cats. India is the only country where lions and tigers live in their natural habitat. And the lions found in India isn't any ordinary lion. It's the Asiatic lion. And out of the whole world, Asiatic lions are only found in the Gir National Park of India and their population is only about 600. India is also the home to leopards, snow leopards and clouded leopards. And guess what? Even cheetahs were present in India but unfortunately got extinct in the last century. So basically, India used to be the home of all big cats except jaguars and pumas, which are only found in the Americas. Let me give a brief information about snow leopards and clouded leopards. Snow leopards and clouded leopards are not a subspecies of leopards but in fact a different species in itself. Unlike leopards, these cats cannot roar. Snow leopards inhabits the highest altitude of any cat. Their habitat includes the highest mountain ranges across Central Asia with altitudes up to 20,000 feet. They have the densest fur of any cat. They have giant paws that act like snowshoes. Snow leopards can grow about 7 feet long, including their tail. Their tail is about 90% as long as its body. Snow leopards have powerful legs and are able to leap as far as 50 feet. Now coming to clouded leopards. Clouded leopards are not considered big cats. They can grow about 6 feet long and weigh 50 pounds. They have a long tail up to 1 meter, almost half their body size, that helps to keep balance. Clouded leopards are found from the rainforest of Indonesia to the foothills of the Himalayas. Clouded leopards have the longest canine teeth proportional to body size of any wild cat, measuring up to 4 centimeters long. Most cats are good climbers, but the clouded leopard is near the top of its class. Their large paws and short claws enables the clouded leopard to hang upside down. Clouded leopards also have short, powerful legs equipped with rotating rear ankles that allow them to downclimb trees head first. Now coming back to the wildlife of India, we also have a lot of record-breaking animals in India. There is obviously the largest cat species, the tiger. The Bengal tiger to be more specific. Okay, the Siberian tiger subspecies is the largest, but Bengal tigers are almost the same size. Anyways, what makes the Bengal tiger subspecies so special is that white tigers, the rare golden tiger and the even more rare snow white tigers are a rare genetic mutation of this subspecies. There are a total of 6 living tiger subspecies and the most numerous tiger subspecies is actually the Bengal tiger. Bengal tigers are primarily found in India but are also found in Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan. Not only this, but India is the home to about 75% of global tiger population. The Bengal tiger is also the national animal of India. And by the way, Bengal tigers are not the only tiger subspecies found in India. Indo-Chinese tigers are also found in India. This subspecies is mainly found in Thailand, Myanmar and Laos, but is also found in northeast India. Compared to the Bengal tiger, these guys are smaller. They also have a darker coloration with short narrow stripes. The next record-breaking animal found in India is the largest reptile and the largest living riparian predator in the world, the saltwater crocodile. They are found in brackish and freshwater regions of eastern India. They are also found in Southeast Asia and northern Australia. On average, males reach 17 feet and weigh 1000 pounds. But these guys can cross 23 feet and weigh more than 2,200 pounds. The largest crocodile in captivity was Lolong, a saltwater crocodile measured at 6.17 meters and weighing 1075 kilograms. The largest saltwater crocodile from India was Kalia, killed in 1926. He was estimated to measure between 23 and 24 feet. The coolest thing about these guys is they have been known to swim in oceans to travel long distances. And these guys are known to take down other apex predators like sharks and tigers. Now, let me introduce you to the longest venomous snake, the king cobra, which is actually the national reptile of India. Apart from India, king cobras are also found in Indonesia, Malaysia and much of Southeast Asia. These guys can reach lengths up to 18 feet and can lift up to 1/3 of their body. They are equipped with neurotoxic venom and they can pump a massive quantity. A single bite from the king cobra can kill an elephant. What makes king cobras very unique is that they primarily feed on other snakes and they are immune to the venom of other venomous snakes. There are many other species of snakes that are known to feed on other snakes, but when it comes to the top spot of eating other snakes, it's the king cobra.
Nobody beats me in the kitchen.
The longest snake, the reticulated python, is also found in India. In India, these guys have a restricted distribution found only in the Nicobar Islands and northeast India. These guys can grow as much as 9 meters or 30 feet in length. Reticulated pythons are very powerful snakes. They have been documented to kill and swallow a fully grown human being. There is also a video of a reticulated python taking down a leopard. Speaking of pythons, in India, 2 more species of pythons are found: the Indian rock python and the Burmese python. The Indian rock python is mainly found in India but is also found in They usually get about 10 feet long. The biggest one was about 15 feet long and weighed 52 kilograms. The Burmese python is considered the second largest snake after the green anaconda. However, a 403-pound Burmese python named Baby currently holds the record for the heaviest snake in captivity. They are capable of reaching more than 23 feet in length with a girth as big as a telephone pole. These guys are native to Southeast Asia. In India, these guys are found in the northeast part of the country. These guys are an invasive species in the Florida Everglades as a result of the pet trade. Their existence in the Everglades has caused the local fauna population to decline massively. Enough about pythons. The fastest bird in the world, the peregrine falcon, is also found in India. These guys can dive with speeds over 230 miles per hour. They are the size of a crow, but with speed as their weapon, they can take down large birds like the brown pelican, which are 5 times their body weight. The largest wild cattle, the gaur, is also found in India. It is also known as the Indian bison. Males can weigh as much as 1500 kilograms. Coming up next, the most endangered crocodilian species, the gharials, are also found in India. In fact, it is primarily found in India. These guys are also claimed to be one of the longest crocodilian species. They are also known as the fish-eating crocodile. They have a long thin snout and about 110 sharp interlocking teeth. Since the 1940s, the gharials numbers have declined as much as 98% due to hunting and habitat destruction. It has been listed as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. A typical gharial will reach about 12 to 15 feet in length. However, they can cross 20 feet and weigh up to 2000 pounds. A very unique characteristic about these guys is that male gharials have a large growth on their snout called a gara, the Hindi word for mud pot. Males use their garas to vocalize and blow bubbles during mating displays. Now, let me introduce you to the smallest cat, the rusty spotted cat. These guys are primarily found in India but are also found in Sri Lanka. These guys get less than a meter long and weigh between 900 grams and 1600 grams. Next is the honey badger, the most fearless and the most cockiest animal in the world. And even these guys are found in India. I made a short documentary on these guys that I'm proud of. You guys should check it out. Link in the description. Until now, we have already come across the national animal and the national reptile of India. Now, let me introduce you to the national bird of India, the peacock. By the way, before making this video, I was under the impression that peacocks are a very common bird species around the world, but it turns out that these guys are only found in India and Sri Lanka. And by the way, the correct name of this bird species is actually peafowl. I deliberately said it wrong earlier as most Indians, including me, are used to the term peacock. Now, there are actually 3 subspecies of peafowls: the Indian peafowl, the green peafowl, and the Congo peafowl. Indian peafowl are a species in a group of birds called pheasants. The males are called peacocks while the females are called peahens. Together, they are peafowl. Peafowls are among the largest birds that can fly. It's time I introduce you to the national aquatic animal, the Ganges River dolphin. Once present in tens of thousands of numbers, the Ganges River dolphin's population has decreased to less than 2000 during the last century due to direct killing, habitat fragmentation by dams and barrages, and indiscriminate fishing. Females are larger than males. These guys are blind and catch their prey in a unique manner. They emit an ultrasonic sound which reaches the prey. The dolphin then registers this image in its mind and subsequently catches hold of its prey. Next on the list is the national heritage animal, the Indian elephant. The Indian elephant is one of the 3 subspecies of the Asian elephant, the other 2 being Sumatran and Sri Lankan. The Indian elephant has the widest range and accounts for the majority of the remaining elephants in Asia. They can reach 6.4 meters in length, 3 meters at the shoulder, and weigh as much as 5 tons. And here ends all the different national fauna of India. But we're not finished. Did you know that India is the 3rd country in the world with most snakes? And most human deaths due to snake bites occurs in India. Yes, 50,000 people die every year due to snake bites in India. There are primarily 4 snakes responsible for this: the Indian cobra, the Russell's viper, the soft-scaled viper, and the common krait. These snakes are also called the Big Four. This one is for Harry Potter fans. There is actually a snake called found in India named after Salazar Slytherin. Lastly, let me introduce you to the Indian rhino. The Indian rhino is the 2nd largest land mammal in Asia behind the Asian elephant. It is also the 2nd largest rhinoceros species in the world behind the white rhino from Africa. Males are larger than females, averaging about 2200 kilograms. The largest individuals weighed up to 4000 kilograms. What's unique about the Indian rhino is that it has only one horn, which is why it is also called the one-horned rhinoceros. Well, these are some of the cool wildlife of India, and I say some because there's a heck of a lot more. India is actually the home to 4 biodiversity hotspots: the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, the Indo-Burma region, and the Sundaland. And each of these places has its own specialty and uniqueness in terms of wildlife. And I'll be making a separate video for each of these magnificent places in the future. So stay tuned for that. If you guys think I left out some animal from India, do comment and I'll cover it up in the future videos.